Okay, you guys, today what we're going to do is we're going to do a full body workout. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all the exercises, and we're going to do 15 reps of each one, and then you're going to decide whether you want to do 1, 2, or 3 sets, depending on if you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced. So before we get started though, I want you to make sure that you get a really good warm-up going. So 1 or 2 minutes of jogging in place, walking in place, stretching, or anything like that. So just get your heart rate going and get warmed up. And try to get this in 2 to 3 times a week. That would be great. So get your water bottle and your towel, and let's get started. Okay, the first exercise we're going to do is squats, one of my very, very favorites. So we're going to do them with these dumbbells. So I'm going to place them here on my shoulder, separate my feet hip width apart.